Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about Ed from 90 Day Fiancé. And before you start hating on his neck, like a lot of viewers, we'll tell you about his medical condition. As a recap, Ed went to the Philippines to find love on the reality TV series called 90 Day Fiancé. I'm Watson. Please subscribe to our channel for interesting medical videos every Monday, and click the subscribe button for new videos all the time. Now, let's talk about 90 Day Fiancé's Ed Brown.
I was teased in high school. Everybody would make fun of my neck and my smaller stature. I was teased all my life. So at first, I started to get a lot of online bullying, like a ton.
I'm so excited.
If your ears get stuffy, just kind of keep popping your jaw and go like this. Oh, you're so sweet.
I'm my lipstick.
Before, the 90 Days viewers kept asking about Big Ed Brown's neck issues, and some people have been making unkind memes and nasty comments on social media. So what is his medical condition? We'll tell you in a moment. One thing you have to hand to Ed Brown is that he's not shy in front of a camera, and that he makes for entertaining TV. His condition is called KFS, or Klippel Feil syndrome. In KFS patients, at least 2 neck vertebrae are fused together from birth. That's why their necks are shorter than normal. Also, those with KFS suffer mobility issues in their upper bodies. Let's look at some X-ray examples and medical diagrams of the condition. Ed stands only 4'11", and his fused neck vertebrae result in significant mobility issues. This is a birth defect and one that Ed Brown likely struggles with every day due to pain and prejudice against his appearance. So do we have any fans of 90 Day Fiancé? What are your thoughts on Ed and Rose? Would you like to see them together in the long term? Is Ed Brown too old for Rosemary? Is Rosemary only interested in Ed's money? Is Ed Brown only interested in Rose's appearance? Leave your comments and questions below. Do we have any Jersey Shore fans out there? If so, please check out this shout out from Snooki about THINERGY.
Hey everyone, this is Snooki, and I wanted to give a shout out to all the crew at THINERGY. I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals. Yes, queens. So I lost a lot of weight too, thank Christ. So I know how hard it is to lose the weight and stay in shape. I get it, guys. So keep up the good work. You guys are doing great. Good job. Mwah.
So there you have it. Nicole, aka Snooki, is a big fan of our favorite weight loss supplement, THINERGY. I use it for a boost before a workout and as an appetite suppressant. So order yours today through Amazon with the Amazon link in the description below.